0.375% as a decimal in simplest form. Okay, 0.375%. So you can rewrite this 0.375 times 1 over 100. 1 over 100% means 1 over 100. Okay. Now multiply. Divided by 100. Look, 10 to the power 2 means 100. That is 100 is a power of 10. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, or to divide a number by power of 10, what you will do, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal point from right to left equal to that number of 0. So 2 zeros, so 2 places, 1 plus 2 plus. Here you have to consider a placeholder 0. Okay, so you will get this. Okay, decimal 00375. This is the decimal form. Okay, so 0.375 as a percent, 0.375% as a decimal is decimal 00375. To simplest form, to simplify this fraction, what will you do? Just for numerator, just keep decimal and write the number you are getting. 375. This 20 don't have any value. And for denominator, for decimal, consider 1, and for every digit after decimal you have to write 10 here. 0 1 0 2 0 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. For every digit after decimal we are considering 10, and for decimal we are considering 1. So now simplify this fraction. You can simplify this fraction in one step by dividing numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between this and this is 125. If you divide 125 this by this, you will get what? And you will get what? You will get here 3. Look here, 3 times 5 15, carry 1 7 3. 3 divided by, here look, 125 goes into 1008 times, then add 2 0. This 3 is a prime number, so it has only two factors, 1 and 3. Okay, so the common factor between 800 and 3 is just 1. So if you divide this both by 1, you will get this. So this is the simplest form. If you want to simplify this fraction based on several times, then look, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If you divide this by 5, what will you get? 5 goes into 37, 7 times 2, 25, 5 times 5 goes into 10, 2 times, add number of zeros. Again, this is divisible by 5. You will get 1, 5, 15. Then it is divisible by 5. So 4, add number of zeros. It is divisible by 5. You will get 3. It is divisible by 5. You will get 8, 0, 0. So we are getting 3 over 100. As 3 is prime number, so the common factor between this and this is just 1. So this is the simplest form.